Each machine will differ a little. With this IPL machine, we use a 20% overlap with each spot. Post-cooling helps decrease the redness and minimize the side effects. Some IPLs, such as this one, come with other hand pieces where you can do photo rejuvenation or acne treatments.